What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill in Norwalk, Connecticut. I have never been to this Goodwill in all my years of thrifting. Let's go inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, so we're looking at the shoes because I never look at the shoes. And this thrift store's, yeah, it's kind of big. It's interesting, they have kind of an upstairs over there. We'll go check that out in a minute, but take a look at these like snake skin cleats by FootJoy. These are wild. They're $15. I don't think they're worth anything. I think that might be a stain on them right there, but these are the weirdest looking cleats I've ever seen. Is it real or is it fake? I don't know, hard to tell. All right, taking a look at the men's shoes here. I found a nice pair of Tommy Hilfiger Sperry's, and here's the issue, $25 is what it's written on there. They're almost new, so 25's, I don't know, not bad for yourself, but you know, certain parts of the state, especially in Connecticut, are going to be more expensive than others. It always depends on the location where you're at. Those ones, like I said, 25. Here we go. We have some like crocodile or alligator, whatever this is. Let's see how much these are. 25. So that's how they write it. That 25, the first two numbers you see there, that's the price. About 25 bucks for a pair of shoes here. Let's check these down here. These ones are in really rough shape. Do they have a price? These don't even have a price, so who knows? Taking a look at the bag section right here, just on the other side of the shoes, and I saw this cool looking bag right here. Open it up, I thought that was the brand name, but I think somebody wrote Edna Hart's Ed right there. But you open it up and look at that, genuine alligator from Florida. That's kind of cool. It's $25. Everything's $25 here. What's going on? But that's just kind of wild. I don't see a brand name anywhere on it, but it's still really neat. It's a shame somebody wrote their names in there, but it's pretty cool. Never seen genuine alligator like this. Maybe those shoes were genuine alligator. This definitely is. All right, lots of clothes in here, but we did start to find some toys. It looks like 50% off, yeah, is red, so not too bad. Let's check out some of these toys here, see if we can find anything red. Here's red. Oh my gosh, 12 bucks. $12 for, oh, it's Mega Bloks Halo. Mega Bloks Halo stuff's actually usually worth good money, but this has been opened. I'm sure pieces are missing. I'll scan it in for you guys just so we could see. It is half off. Let's see if this is one of the ones that's usually worth some money. Oh, they put it right over the barcode. I'll try and look it up. So I did look up the Halo Mega Bloks, and the rank's a little high, and boom, 15 bucks. Not even worth it. Brand new. This is definitely missing some pieces. It feels almost empty, so what a shame. $12. Hopefully we find something a little better than that in here. All right, we found something pretty cool here. We got a Rorschach game, brand new sealed for $3 from 1998. Pretty cool ink blot game. If you take a look right here, rank is pretty good, meaning it sells often, for 15 bucks. So $3, you'll make what, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that, 5 bucks? Something like that. Not bad. I'll take it. All right, guys, I found a whole bunch of hard goods upstairs here. I always look for Wilton cake pans whenever I'm looking at the kitchenware. It usually sells pretty good. We got some pots and pans. Kirkland. That's that Costco branded. It's interesting. I don't see any of those cake pans here. If you guys see anything that I'm missing, just let me know down below in the comments. But, you know, I don't think any of this is anything super great to look at. We got some lamps up there, a big crock pot. So still looking around, but I keep striking out. I found this cool Stanley IntelliSensor. It's a stud finder, and I've sold these things in the past. I flipped it over. It's $8, and I looked it up on Amazon, and take a look. Here it is. Sells pretty well, and you'd only make $1.50 on it. It seems like a lot of things are priced just out of reach here. I mean, that's okay. We have a bread maker. These things sold really well during all the lockdowns. And it's, I think, 12 bucks. These, I know some of these are selling for a couple hundred. Pretty crazy. These rotisserie showtimes also sold really well for a while. I think they still do. It's just nothing I really want to mess with. Oh, it's a Ronco. Yeah, it does say Ronco right on it. So maybe I will look into this real fast and see if the Ronco showtime is worth it. Alright, so we looked up the Ronco rotisserie and take a look. People definitely part them out. $50 for a brand new rotisserie part right there. $10 for a heating element. Here is the whole unit. Looks like about $60 with $101 shipping. This person sold it for $100, so there's definitely money if you want to part it out. Look at that, these little dials right here, selling for 11 bucks, $9 plus shipping for a little dial. So not bad. Look at that. The front glass door for 25. A tray for 18. There's that dial again. I don't see a dial on this one, so this must be a slightly different model, but it does have a lot of parts inside. I'm gonna see how much they want for this because it could be interesting. It could be fun to part it out. All right, it's priced at 25 bucks, which is a little more than I really want to mess with. If it was 10 bucks maybe, you could definitely more than double your money, I'm sure, just in the parts in here. But I think I'm gonna leave it behind for the next person. Have you ever seen part wine glass, flip it over, and now you got a martini glass? That's pretty neat. Never seen anything like this. You could drink a martini, slam a glass of wine, have a good night. I turned around and I noticed this black tissues box cover, and it kind of looked like a Ray Dunn, and it is a Ray Dunn. It says right in there, you kind of see it, Ray Dunn, and it's 8 bucks. I looked it up on eBay and Amazon, and the rank is pretty high, over 2 million. It does have some reviews, so it has sold, but look at that, $61. You'd make a little over 30 bucks on it, but that rank is a little too high. The home category, you can go pretty high in it now because there's a lot of items in it, but I'm not going to go that high. The only one that sold on eBay was 40 bucks, so I'm going to leave it behind at 8 bucks. If it was a couple dollars, I think I'd grab it just to mess with, but it's staying behind. Alright guys, we found some more toys in this back aisle here. We got an Acutiny game for $5, and I believe that's Jon Snow. It is a Jon Snow figure from Game of Thrones, brand new for $12. The box has a little bit of wear, but I looked it up on Amazon, and take a look at this. Lots of reviews. It doesn't show a rank, but it is selling. 50 bucks. Nobody's selling it used. At $12, I think I could sell it used and just knock 5 bucks off of it and still make, you know, about $17, $18 on it. So I think I'll snag that. And then this Acutiny game, I will scan it in for you so you can see. $5, brand new sealed. Got the barcode right there. And here we go, taking a quick look at it. Has a pretty decent rank in toys, lots of good reviews. Selling for 20 bucks. I'll double my money. Why not? I'll take it. Alright, this is something super interesting and different. We have an Amiglow or Amiglow, never heard of it. 25 bucks, didn't know what it was. You pop the top off. Take a look at this. It's one of those just men's watch holders and for wallets and phones and all that. Pretty cool. And I looked it up. I found the exact one on Amazon. Pretty good rank. Sells super well, $80. So even though it costs 25, still make about 30 brand new. I would sell it as used and knock 5 bucks off and just double my money real quick. So I'm snagging it. Alright, so the back end of the store has been great. I found another sealed item here. We have Barron's SAT flashcards. I love when I find these things, especially brand new. $5. Let's scan it in and take a look. We got the barcode right here. Look at that. Decent rank. It looks high, but the book category, you could go up pretty high. Selling for $30. I'm only paying 5. I'll make 12 bucks. I'll take it. Alright, finally found the media. I thought they didn't have any here. They don't have much, but they have something. So my goal is to find at least 2 items here that are worth it and do some scanning. Gonna start with all the sealed things first. Looks like $2 a pop on their media, so not too bad. Let's do it. Oh, actually first, what do they have for video games? Nothing good. So, alright, no video games, but we will find some. Oh, look, they even have PS4 games, Madden. It's usually always sports titles, so we'll leave all those, but find some DVDs. Alright, we got a small stack of media, so it definitely ended up being worth it. We got a brand new sealed Flight 29 Down Volume 2 with Corbin Blue. I'll pop the price up here on the screen. You guys can see, I think it was selling for 25 bucks. Not bad. Ended up being worth it. This too, this Petruca La Sacre du Printemps? I don't know. But it's a brand new sealed CD. I think it's opera. It's classical. And you guys can see on the screen, another about 25 bucks. So we got $50 in media right there. And then this original one that I had grabbed, Life as a House, you guys can see, $2 selling for I believe $14. I'll make about $5-6 after fees. So that all added up, and then I got myself an old hockey game for PlayStation 2 to play because it looked like fun, and it's only oh, there's no price, so hopefully $1 or $2. But I'll take it, and I think it's time to head out. Let's go.